In a groundbreaking statement that could reshape our place in the universe, NASA has announced the detection of the first extraterrestrial signals emanating from the direction of Proxima B. This exoplanet, the nearest known to Earth, is located just over 4 light-years away, positioned within the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. This revelation has ignited an immense surge of excitement and curiosity around the globe. Could this be the pivotal moment when humanity realizes it is not solitary in the cosmos? The journey to 32 seconds. This monumental discovery began with careful and detailed observations by NASA's advanced telescopes, which have been relentlessly scanning distant stars and planets in search of signs of life. Proxima B has long been a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence due to its Earth-like qualities and its proximity to our solar system. The detected signal stands out as something entirely distinct and unfamiliar to astronomers, marking a potential turning point in human history. The consequences of such a discovery are 1 minute and 3 seconds. Immense. Firstly, it affirms the long-held scientific theory that life may be possible on other planets under conditions similar to Earth's. Secondly, and perhaps more tantalizing, it provokes the question of the types of civilizations that may exist there. Could they be mere microorganisms, or could they be advanced entities with the capacity for interstellar communication? This signal from Proxima B is far more than just a random noise or a natural cosmic event. It exhibits a clear, repetitive pattern that strongly, 1 minute and 35 seconds, suggests an intelligent origin. Scientists from NASA and other international teams are now working tirelessly to decode this message, attempting to understand its meaning and any potential intentions behind it. The global scientific community is abuzz with theories and speculations about the message's content. Could it be a greeting, an invitation, or something entirely unfathomable? News of this discovery has reached beyond the scientific community, sparking passionate debates on social media, within government halls, and even 2 minutes and 7 seconds around dinner tables across the world. People are now gazing at the stars with renewed awe, contemplating the possibility of other beings on distant planets who might be pondering the same questions. How similar or different could their world be to ours? What might their society look like in terms of technology and culture? The possibilities seem as vast as the universe itself. Moreover, this detection raises several profound ethical and existential dilemmas. How should humanity respond if these signals truly originate from 2 minutes and 40 seconds? Intelligent beings attempting to communicate? What protocols should we develop for interstellar diplomacy? Most crucially, how would such a discovery alter our understanding of religion, life, and our very identity as human beings? While excitement continues to build, there is also noticeable caution at NASA and other space agencies, which are working meticulously to confirm the authenticity of the signals and eliminate the possibility of a false positive or misinterpretation. We stand on the cusp of what could be the most 3 minutes and 12 seconds significant discovery in human history. Therefore, every next step must be carried out with care, accuracy, and responsibility. The world waits expectantly for further analysis, hoping to uncover more details. The detection of signals from Proxima B could not only propel our scientific endeavors into a new era but also unite humanity in a shared sense of wonder and hope. We may be on the verge of answering one of the oldest and most profound questions. Are we truly alone in the universe? In April 2019, a radio signal was detected coming 3 minutes and 46 seconds from space, specifically from the Proxima Centauri region, which lies 4.37 light-years from Earth. While this distance may seem substantial, it is the closest known star to the Sun, situated approximately 3 times farther away than the third brightest star visible in our sky. The signal originated from a triple star system, which includes the binary pairs of Alpha Centauri A and B, as well as Alpha Centauri C, also known as Proxima Centauri. Alpha Centauri A and B, the 2 stars within this system, are relatively 4 minutes and 20 seconds close to one another and are quite similar to our Sun. Alpha Centauri A shines with a yellow light and is about 1.5 times brighter than the Sun, while Alpha Centauri B is slightly dimmer, emitting an orange hue. Alpha Centauri A is slightly larger than the Sun, while Alpha Centauri B is smaller, with our Sun falling between the two in size. But where did this mysterious signal come from? In the midst of these stars, the Breakthrough Listen project, dedicated to searching for extraterrestrial communication, has designated the signal as breakthrough. 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Listen Candidate 1, BLC-1. The project, funded with approximately $100 million, has utilized thousands of hours of observation using cutting-edge telescopes located worldwide. The signal was initially detected by the Parkes Radio Telescope in New South Wales, Australia, while it was monitoring the Proxima Centauri region, the closest star to the Sun. The signal almost went unnoticed among the vast amount of data collected, but scientists were able to identify it, akin to finding a needle in a haystack. For the signal to be considered. 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Noteworthy, it must meet two critical criteria. Firstly, it must be confined to a narrow frequency range since radio signals of this type are not typically produced by natural phenomena in space. Secondly, the frequency should fluctuate in accordance with the relative motion of the exoplanet in relation to Earth. The scientists had to sift through nearly 4 million individual signals gathered by the telescope in Australia. After an exhaustive process of filtering and removing irrelevant signals, they identified around 5,000 distinct signals. 6 minutes. With one standing out. This particular signal could not be explained after cross-referencing it with known terrestrial radio transmitters. It was unique, with a narrowband technological signature, and was only detected when the telescope was directed at Proxima Centauri. The signal persisted over a 30-hour period. Upon further examination, it was determined that the signal originated from Proxima B, an exoplanet discovered in 2016 using the radial velocity method, which detects variations in a star's position due to the gravitational pull. As the world absorbs the shocking revelation of an intelligent signal from Proxima B, the scientific community is racing against time to analyze its full implications. Could this signal be a mere anomaly, or is it truly a message from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization? NASA, in collaboration with international space agencies, has launched an extensive investigation, using every available resource to decode the patterns embedded in the transmission. The repetition in the signal suggests structure, perhaps even a form of language or mathematics. 7 minutes and 9 seconds. Experts in linguistics, artificial intelligence, and astrophysics are now collaborating to decipher the signal. Some believe it could be a basic numerical sequence, while others speculate it may contain more complex data, an attempt at interstellar communication. Amidst the excitement, caution remains paramount. The possibility of interference from human-made satellites or natural cosmic phenomena has not been entirely ruled out. Some skeptics warn that premature assumptions could lead to false hope. Nevertheless, the world watches with bated breath as the investigation unfolds. 7 minutes and 43 seconds. In response to the discovery, the United Nations has convened an emergency summit, bringing together the world's leading scientists, policymakers, and defense experts. The agenda: deciding how humanity should respond if the signal is indeed a message directed at Earth. Some advocate for immediate transmission of a reply, believing this could be the dawn of a new era of interstellar diplomacy. Others urge restraint, warning that without knowing the intentions of the senders, responding could expose Earth to unknown dangers. Could we be drawing the attention of a civilization far beyond our understanding, one whose motives remain uncertain? 8 minutes and 22 seconds. Meanwhile, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and other advanced observatories are being tasked with an in-depth study of Proxima B's atmosphere. If the planet harbors life, signs of biological activity, such as oxygen, methane, or other biosignatures, could provide crucial confirmation. In an unprecedented move, private space agencies and tech companies have pledged their support. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and other organizations have announced new initiatives aimed at developing long-term strategies for interstellar communication and, potentially, even exploration. Could humanity one day send a probe, or even a crewed mission, to Proxima B? 8 minutes and 55 seconds. As the mystery deepens, the world is gripped by a mixture of excitement and existential reflection. Philosophers and theologians debate the implications of such a discovery. What would it mean for humanity's place in the universe? How would it reshape religious and philosophical beliefs? At the same time, the public's imagination runs wild. Social media is flooded with theories, from the optimistic belief that the signal is an invitation to join a galactic community to darker fears of a warning or a trap. But beyond speculation, one thing is certain: the universe, once thought to be vast and empty, now feels a little less lonely. 9 minutes and 27 seconds. As new data continues to emerge, NASA prepares for its next bold step, the transmission of a carefully crafted message back to the source of the signal. If we are indeed being watched, studied, or even awaited, what should we say? And, more importantly, will they respond? After weeks of analysis, the global scientific community reaches a consensus. The signal is not a natural cosmic phenomenon. It is deliberate. It is structured. It is intelligent. The question now is how to respond. A specially formed United Nations Committee, the Interstellar Communication Council, ICC, is tasked with crafting humanity's first official reply. The debate is fierce. Some argue for a simple mathematical sequence, an undeniable sign of intelligence that any advanced civilization would understand. Others push for something more complex, a message containing information about Earth, humanity, and our desire for peaceful contact. In a highly secure location, a message is drafted, revised, and analyzed by the world's top minds. Finally, after weeks of deliberation, the ICC approves the transmission. At precisely 10 minutes and 31 seconds, a radio signal is sent from one of Earth's most powerful transmitters, aimed directly at Proxima B. It consists of 1. A series of prime numbers to confirm intelligence. 2. The periodic table of elements, a universal foundation of chemistry. 3. A digital representation of DNA, a sign of biological life. 4. A simple pictogram of Earth's position in the Milky Way. 5. A greeting, we come in peace. We seek knowledge. Then, humanity waits. 11 minutes and 4 seconds. Days pass. Then weeks. Months. The world anxiously watches the skies, waiting for a reply. During this time, speculation runs rampant. Some believe the silence means the signal was never received. Others fear the opposite, that it was received, understood, and ignored. But then, 6 months later, a new signal arrives. It is stronger, clearer, and more complex than before. Unlike the first transmission, which consisted of structured pulses, this one contains patterns that resemble a form of pictographic communication. NASA, SETI, and AI researchers work around the clock to decode it. What they discover sends shockwaves across the planet. The message contains 3 distinct images. 1. A mathematical pattern, a clear confirmation of intelligence. 2. A star map, showing a network of planetary systems, possibly their own interstellar neighbors. 3. A symbolic representation of 2 figures, vaguely humanoid, standing side by side. The message is clear, you are not alone. 11 minutes and 34 seconds. The revelation is historic. Humanity now knows, without a doubt, that an intelligent alien civilization exists. And they know about us. As excitement grips the world, new challenges arise. How do we proceed? Do we attempt to establish deeper communication? Do we request a meeting? Do we try to visit Proxima B, or invite them to visit us? Governments, scientists, and world leaders engage in a new debate. While many advocate for continued contact, some voice concerns. What if this civilization is not friendly? Theories emerge. Some believe these beings are benevolent, eager to welcome humanity into a larger cosmic network. Others warn of potential dangers, reminding the world of historical encounters between technologically advanced civilizations and those less developed. But before humanity can reach a decision, something unexpected happens. 12 minutes and 4 seconds. A new, unprompted signal is received. This time, it does not come from Proxima B. It comes from a different location in the sky, a system nearly 100 light-years away. The pattern is similar, but different. Another civilization. Another response. The discovery raises an even greater question. Has humanity just stumbled into an interstellar conversation already in progress?